دبي تعطيك أمان.
وظل القيادة الرشيدة اللي فيها، اللي هي حببت الناس والعالم كله في هالبلد. فأنا بالفعل فخور بنفسي وبفخور بهالدولة الطيبة.
لبناني. أنا شخصيا ابن مصر.
قيام على البلد ليل مع نهار، تركيزه، ما كنا وصلنا للي وصلنا.
أنا والله عمري 5 سنين وأنا تحت البوش، وهذا يعني اللي ما له ماضي الله يرحم أبوي زايد، ما له حاضر.
فاليوم الكل عايش سواء موافد أو مواطن، نحمد الله سبحانه وتعالى أن نحن في أمان وفي استقرار وفي أحلى، يعني وين ما تروح تلقى أنك أنت بين أخوانك وبين أهلك وبين ربعك وبين عشيرتك وبين الجنة.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها، لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. تاريخ لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. وام الشيوخ اللي الله رعاها ربت قروب للوطنهم سند، لا تذكر الفزعات إلا طراها مداتها بالعطايا هي تسد. وام الشيوخ اللي الله رعاها ربت قروب للوطنهم سند، ولا تذكر الفزعات إلا طراها مداتها بالعطايا هي تسد. وابو خالد الذي أمن ذراها تحت رايته العز ومن وهب. ابو خالد الذي أمن ذراها ابو خالد تحت رايته العز ومن وهب. لا تقرب إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. وجنودنا ليهم فخر.
Welcome everyone with our program Bellas of Union with the most successful story in UAE. Today from Dubai City with also a new successful story with Mr. Ganesh. Hello Mr. Ganesh.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Mr. Ganesh, from the first you can introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you very much for giving us opportunity to be online with you. My name is Ganesh. Definitely I'm an Indian origin. I'm 47 years running now. I came to UAE 27 years back when I was just fresh, not even had a full mustache. I started my career journey from Dubai Airport, which is to be known as Emirates Flight Catering at a time. I started my career as a waiter. The salary I was earning initially 27 years back was 590 dirham, which is to be equivalent to 7,000 rupees Indian currency. So yes, that's my first step of journey. When I came to UAE, it was like a new world for me. First time I stepped out from my country to other country. So yes, it was like new world for me. When I came to UAE, to be very frank, I did not feel that I'm away from my own country, because people here, they talk my language. I see many of them from my home country. They speak same language what I. In fact, the locals, Emiratis here, they do talk Indian languages, which is a very proud moment for me to hear something from them. So yes, that is something really made me feel, wow, this is another similar module of my own country, which made me think of returning back to same country here. It's been 27 years, as I explained to you, that I started my career from the waiter. I reached up to group CEO level in that 27 years of journey.
Before how many years opened this restaurant?
This restaurant was opened in 2018. When we started, 2018. This is one of our restaurant. We do also have many other brands, like Lebanese Flower Bakery. It's based in Abu Dhabi. We have a bakery shop. Then we have Samadhi Sweets, which is a sweet Emirati product. Also, we have Al Daya Lebanese Butchery. It's a butcher shop. Basically, it's a little bit gourmet style meats. Also, we own Al Bustan Farms here in UAE. We known as Al Bustan Investment Company.
Yeah. Mr. Ganesh, you can tell me more details about this restaurant. What do you have exactly? What the kind of food?
Okay, when it comes to service, the service is definitely, it's a semi-casual service. Our people serve from heart. So that's the first step of our service, which make every customer feels like they are in their own house, or maybe they've been welcomed by their own people. The food we serve here is basically authentic Indian food, and some of them Mughlai dishes, which is a grills, tandoor grills and all. Our specialty products are especially barra lamb chops. We have sheikh kebab. Then we have a malai chicken tikka. We have a roast paneer. It's the same, something like a mouth tempting. Also, we have called lal mirch prawns, which is a little bit reddish into spices, which clears your tongue. When it comes to the Indian gravies, we have a specialty called butter chicken. We have mutton rogan josh. We do have parda gosh biryani. Parda gosh is biryani. Basically, it's our aromatic biryani where it's been cooked in a clay pot, covered with the bread shelf, and steamed in a specialty oven for 4 to 5 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, when you open that bread, it gives the really, the tempting aroma. You can't wait to eat. So that kind of products we have in this Copper Chimney. When I talk about the Copper Chimney restaurant, Copper Chimney is all about Indian cuisine, which is started 50 years back in India in 1972. So next year will be 50th anniversary for Copper Chimney. And the first outlet was built by Mr. J.K. Kapoor, the founder of Copper Chimney. And his family friend, Mr. Dilip Kumar, the late veteran, the famous movie star actor Dilip Kumar. So whichever outlet, after first opening of 1972 Copper Chimney, whichever outlet we opened the next, the Dilip Kumar was the gentleman who did the opening ceremony. And his son, Mr. Sunil Kapoor, who brought this legacy to the international market. Today, all over the world, we have around 21 Copper Chimney. We are located in India, all over the India. Then we are in London. We are in Kuwait.
Wow.
Yes, and we are in UAE.
India and Kuwait and London and UAE. 4 countries.
4 countries.
Okay. Every business or every work have a future plan. What's the future plan for you?
The future plan of Copper Chimney, we have expansion plan, which will be Abu Dhabi, the second outlet or third outlet. Then we have looking area which is in Northern Emirates, Sharjah definitely. We are reaching to Ras Al Khaimah as well.
Wow.
So within 2023, we should be at least 5 outlets of Copper Chimney in UAE.
Wow. I think every business or every work need a good manager like you. Okay. How to choose your stuff, because business or restaurant or work is coming good.
See, when I choose my staff, to be very frank, I don't see experience at all.
Wow.
Yes, experience is must. What I see, the confidence level of the staff, how he's sitting for the interview, how his body language. See that, as we said, we should give chance to everyone, even the fresher. If I only look for the experienced staff, then what about the freshers who wants to start their career? So I give the opportunity to the freshers, and I give them the training from my own and my team. What I see in their ability to learn, the confidence level, and the personality. If these 3 matches to my requirement, I bring them in.
Wow.
And the food, yes, when it comes to the chef's quality, they should have a basic knowledge, because Copper Chimney, it has their own sets of recipe.
Yeah.
So which can be done with any chef if the training is given properly. So every Copper Chimney food menu has a recipe. So any chef who comes from the similar knowledge, they can be a Copper Chimney chef once after getting the training completed. So just giving an opportunity to the freshers and the basic knowledge people, they work for you from heart because you gave them an opportunity.
Yeah. Yeah. I get
Experienced people, what happens? Sometimes they get overconfidence. They have too much pride. Oh, I'm an experienced guy. So if I'm hired here, I will do this, I will do that. So their attitude changes. But giving a chance to the freshers, it makes sense to develop them flexibility and the motivational quote.
What happened for this restaurant in Corona time?
Oh yes, Corona time, when we started Copper Chimney, it was on the peak mode. We were really doing good. When the Corona started, literally we had to shut the outlet for 3 months because restrictions of the law of some restrictions of the COVID precautions and all. But when we restarted, we had a difficulty as people thought we completely closed. But we had to reach out to the public. Oh, we are open again. So initially when we restarted, the sales was too low, was having difficulty even to clear the salaries, clear the rental and all. But yes, thanks to the hotel management, they supported us. Thanks to the staff who understood the situation, and they never got upset but I did not get paid. My staff been really supportive to me at any situation, any scenario I've been gone through. So keeping this staff for a long term and the long relation, I wouldn't mind to let them grow with me. The company grows, each staff will have their own roles and responsibilities in a different new outlet with the promotional career.
Now you can say the life is coming back or no after Corona?
To be frank, yes, it is coming on track now. I wouldn't say it's 100% changed, but yes, we are almost 70% on a better mode than the last year. So yes, sales are picking up, people are coming back, staffs are feeling happy, the restrictions are getting reduced, and the precautions has been reduced. If you take the transportations and all, it's been given a privilege now that no 2-meter gap, no 1-meter gap and all. So those are things helping us to develop the business more. Before we had a restrictions of minimum 50% sitting.
Yes.
Now up to 100% we can operate.
Yes.
Based on the situation. So if there is a situation, there is a facility available, why not take the opportunity?
Yeah.
And people have started coming back. Whether there is food, there is money or no money, people still like to eat.
Yeah.
At least once a month they like to eat outside.
Yeah. I think you have very good experience in the business world. Now also from your side, send motivation message for the young people we want to enter the business world?
See, the entering into any business is all about putting yourself involved in the operation. Just investing and ignoring the business will never give you the results automatically. You have to have your involvement the way I do involve in my operations. I make sure that what's happening in my operation, I should get to know on everyday basis. So I completely put hands on to my staff, to my management, and to my investor who has trusted me to manage this business and take over to the next level. So yes, never give up first of all, and main thing, to have a patience when you open any business. Your business never gives you return immediately. It has to have a time frame. You should have a patience to get that investment in returns.
Wow. Now send thankful message for all leaders and Sheikh here in UAE.
Once again, thank you very much UAE for taking me as a family, or maybe one of the member as a family in UAE. I would say that my 27 years of career, I felt UAE is the safest country to work for, safe for family. Today my daughter, my wife can easily walk into the street even late 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the midnight. So that safest comfort I have got from this UAE. And yes, UAE brings people with lots of motivational, act here. We see many things happening around UAE, and UAE is basically, the place where multinational communities comes together and becomes a friend here.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Ganesh. I'm so happy to meet you today. Thank you.
Like I was saying earlier, the man behind this scenario is Mr. J.K. Kapoor. He is the creator of Copper Chimney. He is Mr. Dilip Kumar. He is the late veteran. Mr. Chadha is the relative of Mr. J.K. Kapoor, who's created this copper chimney, first copper chimney in Mumbai. And as you see this, she is our first lady chef in copper chimney module. In all of the years, she is the first lady chef we ever had in copper chimney.
Thank you everyone for seeing this episode from our program Pillars of Union with the most successful story in UAE. See you next week with also a new successful story. Goodbye.
دبي تعطيك امان.
وظل القيادة الرشيدة اللي فيها، اللي هي حببت الناس والعالم كله في هالبلد. فأنا بالفعل فخور بنفسي وفخور بهالدولة الطيبة.
لبناني. أنا شخصيا ابن مصر.
قيام على البلد ليل مع نهار، تركيزه، ما كنا وصلنا للي وصلنا.
أنا والله عمري 5 سنين وأنا تحت البوش، وهذا يعني اللي ما له ماضي الله يرحم أبوي زايد ما له حاضر.
فاليوم الكل عايش سواء وافد أو مواطن، نحمد الله سبحانه وتعالى أن نحن في أمان وفي استقرار وفي أحلى، يعني وين ما تروح تلقى أنك أنت بين أخوانك وبين أهلك وبين ربعك وبين عشيرتك وبين الجنة.
إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. نحنا شعوب نفدى ثراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب احنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها